Yeah.
Whoa.
Yeah.
What are we gonna do? We're not making
Oh yeah.
We were gonna burn the
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh,
I forgot to add.
I was telling you God.
Oh man.
Look at the stuff in there, even though it's not with water. It's just like.
Oh no.
Nice.
We worked so hard.
Woo!
Pompeii!
Yeah.
Yeah.
Who needed alcohol?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, what was in
I was gonna say that stuff's gonna react.
What stuff?
The stuff in there.
Oh, it hasn't reacted?
Yeah.
There was supposed to be acetylene gas.
I didn't know it was gonna.
Work.
We had no faith in us.
Yeah, you know, because all volcanoes.
Yeah.
We just set off some acetylene gas either way. I mean, shit.
Sure, we could do that and go back in.
Yeah.
Let's just put some.
Hey, we gotta make sure the little house burns. Now we can just get warm by it.
Get some marshmallows.
There's volcano, you said a volcano, so technically.
I don't know what happened with that.
Okay.
I like it.
That first reaction with the
Damn.
fire coming on the top, that was just sexy. Beautiful.
It's freaking warm.
Jared, how cold are you?
My hands are cold, but other than that, I'm
You
fine.
getting warm by the fire?
Yeah.
Too bad the thing
Ah!
fell.
Yeah. That was just like the ash wall. Everything just came down.
Our people survived.
Our trees have to burn.
Hey, there's still chemicals in there. Just might want to be careful.
Oh,
I could
what's
hear
in that
them going
box?
off.
What's in that second box? I think?
Nothing. Okay.
Just paper.
Our people survived.
Our trees gotta burn. Our people did survive.
What is that like, circular thing with a person in it?
It's a pool, man.
A pool? That's a really bad.
They were chilling. Just having a normal day in the summer.
It's
It's gonna be a tough
December.
decision on who won. I don't know.
Gee. I wonder.
Well, they had a better dormant volcano, and we had a better active
There you
volcano.
go.
And also, this position is freaking.
Theirs could have been theirs is like one of those Hawaii ones that spews stuff all the time and never does anything huge. And then ours
Ours
is
is
like
the man.
ours is like
Ours
Ours
left
is like
itself
Mount
as a
St.
skeleton
Helen.
of the mountain it was.
What's on fire?
What's it? What? Your volcano? Serious?
Let's put the acetylene gas.
yeah,
in
it's settling
Let's put the
gas in
acetylene
there.